What's up guys, welcome back to another video. If you're interested in any like tokens or you're into crypto and you love making money, well then you're at the right place. Subscribe to the channel, leave a like on this video because I'm uploading every single day. And today what I want to talk about is some big huge Shiba news. And y'all love SHIB. SHIB is the one that's gonna make us millionaires. Basically some big SHIBASWAP Exchange news, and I'm here first to cover it. So basically it's supposed to go live very soon, like in the next 24 hours. It might be out by the time I upload this video, but basically I'm just here to inform you on the new stuff that I'm hearing and what's going to be in this little SHIBASWAP thing that's coming out, and what the price could do in the next 48 hours whenever this drops. Like I said, it could get delayed a day or two after this video, but from what I'm hearing, it's supposed to come out like soon in the next day or two. So yeah, if you need any help with crypto or you want to know any more and you want coaching, DM me on Instagram. I usually probably within like 15 minutes and we can get something started. But let's get into this video. So yeah, SHIBASWAP, it's coming out. If you guys don't know what I'm talking about, Shiba Inu is a very good token to hold. It has a very good cult following behind it, and also they're one of the coins that has an exchange coming out very soon. It's kind of like the pancake swap thing or the Uniswap thing. They all have coins. This is going to be the same scenario. First, we're going to go over price in the next 48 hours. When this drops, you can go either way. Obviously, it can go up. Obviously, it can go down. Like I said in my last few videos about SHIB, I think it's going to moon. I really do think we're going to see a big, huge spike past all-time highs. Hopefully, maybe even all-time highs. That'd be crazy. Guys, we're literally so paid if this happens. I've also heard that they have a new token coming out with their SHIBASWAP Exchange, which is called Bone. If you guys know, like with these coins, like if you get in on the ground, you're literally set, right? If you get in at a very good entry and you just let that ride up, like you can hardly lose anything if you get in so low. So apparently there's a new coin coming out. It's called Bone. You can see it on their screenshot on their little exchange picture they pointed out. And I think this could be huge news for us, right? If there's a new coin that comes out with SHIBASWAP on top of the Shiba Inu coin, that's even more money that, you know, could potentially go into our pockets with these coins. So hopefully when this goes live, SHIBASWAP.com or SHIBASWAP.org or something like that will be a thing, and we can all make some money. Now, please be careful of these next days. Like I said, this can go crazy. I really suggest you guys always take profits when you feel like it's needed, okay? Do not hold because someone tells you to hold on for dear life and you just lose everything. You got to be smart. This is real money that you're playing with. So if you feel like you've made a lot, don't get too greedy. Make sure you got a good entry. For me, I've been in for a minute. Hopefully you guys have gotten in over these past few videos, and I really think this is going to do something, guys. So yeah, this is really huge news for Shiba, and I just kind of wanted to give this information. It's coming. The exchange is about to be here, and when the exchange drops, I'll go over a video kind of reviewing the website, just talking about the price again, because I think you guys like these videos. Thank you so much for all the support on the videos. Subscribe to the channel, leave a like if you're new, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.